Most 90-foot motor yachts make one promise and keep it halfway. The Azimut Grande 30M delivers 94 feet of low-emission super yacht with the range and efficiency to back it up. Built in Pesaro, Italy, Azimut has been engineering performance motor yachts since 1969. The Grande 30M is the first model in the new LEY, low-emission yacht family. Fiberglass composite hull, deep V running surface, designed for efficient long-range passage. Performance specs for the 2028 model are confirmed at delivery. Two main engines drive this platform. Speed data and range figures will be available at yachtspecsdirect.com when the vessel enters sea trials ahead of June 2027 delivery. What Azimut commits to today, 30% fuel savings compared to comparable vessels in this class, that is a significant operational advantage at 94 feet. 94 feet overall. Beam is 24 feet. Draft approximately 5 feet 6 inches. 3 deck levels, main deck, upper deck, and the Infinity Skydeck. The deck-to-deck terrace connects the main cockpit to the upper level without interrupting the sightlines. 4 standout features define the Grande 30M. First, LEY technology, the low-emission hull and drivetrain system delivering 30% fuel efficiency gains. Second, the Infinity Skydeck, a full open sun deck with panoramic 360 views at the top of the vessel. Third, the full beam master suite, spanning the entire 24-foot beam on the main deck with a private terrace. Fourth, the deck-to-deck terrace, a continuous outdoor living corridor connecting both deck levels, a design solution unique to this hull, 5 staterooms total, a full beam master suite plus 4 guest staterooms, sleeping 10 guests with 2 crew, interiors by M2 Atelier, the Italian design studio, wide open salon with floor-to-ceiling glass, the sea visible from every primary space. Bottom line, this is a yacht for operators who want super yacht volume and range without the fuel burn penalty, and are willing to wait for the right build. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.